Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, children? I hope everyone is safe at home. It's been a long vacation and now we have to get back to our studies. I welcome you all to grade 6. I will be teaching you English. This is your English textbook, Bal Bharti. And today we'll learn poem Don't Give Up. Let's begin, children, with our first poem, Don't Give Up. First, I will read out the whole poem for you. Don't Give Up by Phoebe Cary. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bore her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test, tries you. So I will explain the poem stanza. Each stanza I will explain you in detail. In this first stanza, Phoebe Cary, the poetess, tries to explain us that if you ever tried and due to some reason or mistake you have not won, you should not be disappointed and should not waste your time in crying or stop trying again. And also tries to explain whatever good deeds come to our popular people is just because of their hard work and patience, and they have kept trying in their life in their related field. Children, you might have heard many stories from your parents and teachers about famous personalities like cricketers, businessmen, who was not having any background support, but still now they are popular and famous. Yes, children, it is just because of their hard work and patience which help them to keep on trying and reach their goals. In the second stanza, the poetess is giving the example of the little birds, how they fail while learning to fly, but the birds still do not stop trying. With continuous effort, they fail, but they do not stop trying. Through continuous efforts, they finally learn to fly and grow stronger. In the next stanza, the poetess has given the example of an oak tree who is so strong, tall and brave. It has never made itself feel down or low due to attack of stormy winds. She means oak tree never loses her courage. She survives and regains her strength and has grown loftier and prouder. She feels proud of herself. I want to relate a quote for the third stanza, children. Difficulties in your life does not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties also know that you too are difficult. Finally, in the last stanza, our poetess Phoebe Cary concludes by saying that if one wins by easy ways, it would be of no value because you will not learn the disappointment, losing, and etc. Also the importance of phrase don't give up. Hence, winning after facing many difficulties or defeat, you will get the real achievement for you. That happiness which will be on your face will be unbelievable to see. Children, if you have learned to ride the bicycle easily, you will never understand about the wounds or cuts or what difficulties you have faced while learning to ride the bicycle. But once you have learned, after many difficulties, once you have learned the bicycle, that happiness will be uncountable, unbelievable for you. So lastly, I want to quote, it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win. From this poem we learn confidence, bravery, courage, whatever the ways and difficulties come in our life, we should never give up. Means don't give up. I hope children you have understood the poem very well. Now I want you all to do the homework, children. I know many of them have not purchased the books. Those who have purchased the books, they will do in your English notebook. And those who have not purchased, they will do in your rough book. So below is the homework given to you all. Refer the poem. With the help of the poem, you can do the homework and learn the poem by heart. On Saturday, during the Zoom app session, I will ask you the poem without looking. So you have 5 days to learn the poem. No excuses. On basis of your homework, the attendance will be marked. So till then, Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.